Welcome to the Science Academy. Here we are with the class 9th chemistry. Unit 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. Today our topic is chemical formula, formula unit, molecular mass and formula mass. We will study and discuss about this topic. Chemical formula. It is the abbreviation used for the full name of a compound with the help of symbols. In other words, we can say that the symbolic representation of a molecule of a compound is called chemical formula. It tells us about two things. First one is the type of atoms present in the compound, and the second one is the ratio of the different atoms present in the compound. For example, if we take an example, the chemical formula of sodium nitrate is NaNO3. There are two types of chemical formula. One is empirical formula and the second is molecular formula. Empirical formula. The empirical formula of the compound is the simplest formula, which shows the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms of the different elements present in a compound. It may not be the actual formula of the compound. For example, the actual formula of benzene is C6H6. Benzene has the simplest ratio of 1:1, so its empirical formula is CH. As it is mentioned earlier that it may not be the actual formula of the compound. Another example is glucose has empirical formula as CH2O. Molecular formula. Molecular formula shows the actual numbers of atoms of different elements present in one molecule of that compound. For example, the molecular formula of glucose is C6H6O6. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Molecular formula is derived from empirical formula by a specific relationship. The table shows the empirical formula and molecular formula of different compounds and also the difference between the empirical formula and molecular formula. For example, if we look at the compound benzene, it has empirical formula as CH and molecular formula as C6H6. Formula unit. Formula unit is the simplest repeating unit of an ionic compound showing the simple ratio between the ions. For example, in the whole crystal lattice of sodium chloride, the ratio of sodium and chlorine ion is 1:1 and its formula is NaCl. Molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of the relative atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. It can be calculated by adding the relative atomic masses of all the atoms in one molecule of the substance. For example, molecular mass of ethane is equal to C2H6. Atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1. Now the formula is molecular mass of ethane is equal to 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen. If we calculate according to this formula, we will have the molecular mass of a compound. Formula mass. Formula mass is the sum of the atomic masses of ions present in the formula unit of an ionic compound. It is calculated in the same manner as we did for molecular mass. For example, for NaCl, formula mass of NaCl is equal to 1 into atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of Cl. If we calculate through this formula, we will have the formula mass of a compound.